I want to stop the video, so this is part 2. I'm going to be posting both the videos. And so she got number 7, which is... What is number 7?
That's 8. Where is
Oh wait, number 7 is...
No, that's the one I just got out.
Okay, so we have a problem. We don't have a number 7. So we're just going to let her pick again.
Was it the glue that was that? Oh no, that was already here. This 9.
Yeah.
You want chicken nugget?
Oh. You gotta pick again, because you already have a color. We put the 9 back in.
1.
1? Where's 1? Oh no, you got googly eyes. I wanted googly eyes. Sorry about all the noise in the background. It's really annoying right now.
Shut the door. Watch the people.
Okay, 1, put that back in. Anyways, did you put the 1 back in?
No.
Okay, I have 9, I guess. Yeah, that looks like a 9. So this is, I'm gonna pick a color right now, just to show you guys what color I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do a after our slime is made. What's the color? Blue. Okay, I'm gonna do this color blue at the end. Last one. Okay. So your turn.
10.
10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. We don't have number 10. Wait, I just found number 7, so let that back in.
No, wait, where?
I found number 7, it's right over here. There's no number 10. I don't know why we keep missing that.
I got another 1. Can I just do it again since I already got one?
Oh, yeah.
I bet they will.
8.
8?
Friday the 13th, so I bet they'll.
Oh, yeah, it is. So,
How do I do this?
you cut it. You cut it up and make it. You have so much add-ins.
No, I don't even have anything to activate.
Oh, yeah, that's,
It's
number
April.
12.
Like July. It's July 13th.
So watch.
Friday.
While she's cutting those, I got number 12. Really? No, I'm picking a new one because number 12 is an activator, and I just had what?
I already talked to Jeff about it.
I got number 7, so I get to pick between 2 different ones. So I'm gonna do purple since I'm doing blue things. So I'm gonna have to cut this up, and you can pick while I'm cutting this up.
Hold on 1 second. They're going to Elementary Farm.
12.
12 is the activator. Do you want to activate?
Right now?
Yes.
Sure, how much do I put?
Oh.
Do you want me to activate it for you?
I didn't know you were
Yes.
talking to Winnie.
Okay, so she's never made slime before. This is her first slime, and actually it's really funny, and I like it. So I'm just gonna pour it in this little cup thing, and then pour it in. And she's going to mix that. And tell me if you think you need more. So I still have to put my blocks in.
There's not really anything she can drink.
So it's probably really boring. Okay, she just activated hers, so I still have the next time things in. So it's actually, hers is actually pretty good. So 3, yeah, I got the good beads, and I'm adding all of them. I got the fidget spinner beads.
They do, yeah.
They do look like fidget spinners.
We're probably laying down and quiet without the dogs and all this talking.
Okay, so your turn to pick.
7.
What's number 7?
You said you
Whoa.
found it.
Oh yeah, do you want orange or purple?
Well, if not, like, we're just gonna go out to eat together. I think that was like.
Okay, my turn to pick this out. I'm 1. Yeah, googly eyes.
That's what Winnie was like.
I got googly eyes. I literally have so much add-ins right now. And so there's 3 more things, I think. I believe. I don't know.
So I invited them.
Okay, so 10. I'm just gonna activate it now. We're done with that. So I don't.
They were just like,
What?
They cracked beer, and I was like, go and take a shower.
What?
With the cream.
Yeah, you can have some.
I'm off tomorrow. I don't even.
Oh, look at mine. Yeah.
Because it makes it less sticky.
Is it really?
Yeah, that's what I was hoping for.
Yeah.
It was sticking to my hands so
This is what I do. Like, I need it because I don't want it to get hard. I don't know.
Ow, these screws stabbing me.
What? What? The blue stuff?
Yeah. Stabbing me so bad.
This is my other aunt's. Yeah.
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 Hey, bye. Bye. Oh, my googly eye. Okay, bye.
What'd I do?
Go check out. I'll put her Musically linked in the description down below.
No, don't do that.
You'll get more followers.
I don't like followers.
Yeah, you only have like 10.
I think I have 3.
Oh well, I
10 is
have
generous.
330 or something like that.
I have over 600.
Not to brag or anything, but
Oh,
yeah.
a video with a fan.
Yeah, she has over 600 though. She has over 600 fans,
I
and
have over 600 pets.
that's very very. What?
No, it's not.
It's
I
pretty
have
much.
about 50.
If they were really, really tiny, she'd probably be over.
She's. What are you doing?
I know sometimes it can get like too much for me.
I have a really bad urge to put this on my glasses, but I won't.
It'll ruin your glasses.
Mine's very chunky, and the googly eyes are literally falling out. And why is mine so big?
I know. Yours is bigger than mine. I think you
Maybe
use more
because
glue.
no, we use the same amount, and I use more shaving cream. What?
Said, are you sure? Look
Yeah.
how cute it is.
And I use.
Wait, watch the video. It's funny.
Ew, it's creepy. I got the chills.
Here's mine.
Creepy and.
Here's the ASMR
Oh
part.
gosh.
Okay. Here's for mine. I really like mine actually, but it's like super chunky
I
though.
like mine too. Ow, except they keep stabbing me.
You can take those out. Since you already added them in, you can take them out now. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and probably didn't click off because every 3 seconds is a view. So, if you could just keep clicking on and off every 3 seconds, that would be great. Thank you and peace.